Alright.
Bad.
So here after the game, I get the familiar face, so I get Wi-Fi, military. Jamaica 2, Honduras 1. Sum it up.
Alright, so pretty much a game of two different halves, definitely. The first half, in regards to formation, we changed formation in the second half. I don't know if everybody realized. We changed to a 4-3-3. First half, we started off with a 3-4-3. In regards to weakness, you can see that in regards to the transition part of the football game, whenever that transition the ball quick enough, that lead to the first goal that caused one turnover in the midfield. I'm not quite sure if it was Ravel or Richard lose the ball, that turnover, and they transitioned and got their goal, in which I do believe it was a good call because it led to the corner, or led to the penalty. Yeah. And then now we start growing to the game. You see, we're going toe-to-toe, even some possession of the ball, and you know, Honduras are good possession-based football. We start to retain some possession of the ball, we start to utilize the channels down the left half space. We start to utilize them. I saw some instances where in between Damian Lowe and Gregley there was a big gap, but coach kind of saw that and tightened that area. And that was good, that was it. So we get back to 2 goals in our 2 transitional play. We like that still. Liam Bailey, good penalty. Even though keeper get us to
Can't go down the place, people.
Gangster for life.
Yeah.
Unruly, we say.
Yeah. Help me sum it up. We'll try and make sense of the game.
So in the second half,
We'll come back to you.
I think that it's a good step in the right direction. Still a place for Dujan Richards to be in this team. As you can see, you need a striker. Great game from Leon, from Damian. Yeah? Asserting his dominance at centre. Topi didn't look bad. Looked like he shed some of the weight and was playing well. I think that the game really has started to play in the way that Jamaica should, which is quick transition through passes, which Leon has been instigated over and over. Rabel Morrison was brilliant, splendid. Yeah. And what I like is the vibe in the team. They want them to fight, them to work. Yeah. The coach has some personality. He don't look like a stone wall, just like how Tapper used to be. And he has Paul doing some work. And to be honest with you, apart from the obvious conflict of interest that is without speed, being the president of Cavaliers Football Club, and also the chairman of the technical committee that selects coaches. Hence, you had 13 players from Cavaliers being selected for the national team. Yeah. Apart from that, I love you same way. Apart from that, the team here looked good. I saw Tyreek Zimmerman coming in. Top talent, lots of work to do, good player, and I love everything we do. So we just need to get it. Whisper Richards, we need to get the under 20 playing a system, a proper system similar to this, right? Tweak it a little more, and anytime you want to know what it look like, come up on Mona, come watch it.
Man of the match, Chris. Man of the match.
That's the
Baller!
So in the second half, I think we kind of lose the ball in the second half. Last stage of the game where them caught, but they got hungry and them changed for them system as well. Them kind of move, have more players going forward and started utilize the 5 channels. So I do think that it was a good game of football. Very happy for the win at home. That's happy for the win. But in all aspects, it was a good game of football, and I'm very, very much happy for the win. Really happy for the win. The referee was, I don't know if you realize, the referee would have never give anyone.
Hold on, stop. I have to say this. Do you realize that Leon went over?
The referee.
Yes,
man, for the year card. Yeah.
And it was turned over. See that type of leadership?
But you know, realize that the referee was quite biased. The referee is extremely biased.
Yeah, but you know what? Every referee, you have to understand. If you have referees from Spanish,
Craig, from the campaign start, that's how we unfortunate. For us to book up on the bias referee them. We can't start.
The police officers asking us to leave.
And that man was very disrespectful to me last time. So I don't know what
People, you see what I'm going.
Big up here. Oh, Robert, man, good game by Leon.